Good day everyone. Today's Litra Talks is about Of Mice and Men. Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck follows the story of two migrant workers, George and Lenny, during the Great Depression as they travel through California seeking work. George is small and quick-witted, while Lenny is large, physically strong but mentally stable, often unaware of his own strength. The two dream of owning a small farm where they can live independently, with Lenny caring for rabbits. They find work on a ranch where they met other characters struggling with loneliness and broken dreams. However, Lenny's strength and ability to control it lead to accidental harm, culminating in the death of the ranch owner's wife. Fearing mob justice, George makes the heartbreaking decision to mercifully end Lenny's life, sacrificing their shared dream to spare his friend from suffering. Through a Marxist lens, Of Mice and Men focuses on exploitation and powerlessness of the working class during the Great Depression. George and Lenny's struggle reflect the economic and social forces that keep marginalized people trapped in a cycle of labor and poverty. Lenny's tragic fate made me realize or reflect on society's treatment of vulnerable individuals and how often compassion is overshadowed by fear or misunderstanding. And that's it for today's Litra Talks. Thank you for listening.